Hi, this is Michael Sonberg, founder of Skyrocket Educator Training, and I'm going to explain exactly how to use the Skyrocket Rubric so you can see how easy it is to master and so you can begin using it to train your teachers immediately. Step 1. Observe a lesson using your Skyrocket Rubric. Step 2. Collect data only on what students are doing in order to land on the correct strand. The rubric is hierarchical, so don't collect data on everything. For instance, if students aren't listening to the teacher, don't even look at strands 2 or 3. Step 3. Choose the biggest lever teacher action from the provided list in that strand. There may be multiple teacher actions that will increase student outcomes. Choose the most important one. For instance, don't train a teacher on checking for understanding if they're not modeling effectively. In this case, checking for understanding is not the biggest lever. It's the modeling on the front end that needs to improve. Step 4. Use the Skyrocket Coaching Manual to get the rationale for why this action will move students forward. Get a vision for what this action looks like when done effectively, and use it to design an intense and targeted training for the teacher. Step 5. Train the teacher on the exact teacher action you chose and set a weekly student outcome goal for the next observation. Step 6. Observe the teacher again, looking to see if they're implementing the teacher action with fidelity and how that's impacting the weekly student outcome goal. Give the teacher real-time feedback for additional support and make sure to track the student data as well. Using this new data, repeat steps 3 through 6. Thanks for joining us for this session. For a free download of the Skyrocket Rubric, a copy of the Skyrocket Manual, or for more information about partnership opportunities, visit the Skyrocket website. We hope to hear from you soon. Happy training.